Be ready for dictation. 5 seconds. Start. In the present case, the appellant's application requesting for reversion having been made after a period of 1 year from the date of promotion, the order of reversion passed by the bank to deny stagnation increments to the appellant is in accordance with the agreement between the parties and cannot be interfered with. Full stop. However, in the matter of stopping the promotion for all times to come, we are of the view that the order of the bank is not in accordance with the bipartite agreement dated 13/4/1988. Full stop. Para. Under subclass A of the bipartite agreement, when an employee seeks reversion during the period of probation, he would be debarred for promotion for 2 years from the date of reversion, and in such a case, he would be reverted to his substantive cadre which he occupied prior to his promotion on the same emoluments which he was drawing. Full stop. Therefore, if the reversion is sought for and is granted to an employee on his request during the period of promotion, he can be denied future promotion only for a period of 2 years. Full stop. Para. Under class 3.8 on promotion to the officer's cadre, full stop, the employee would be on probation for a period of 1 year, and the period of probation may, if necessary, be extended to a total period of 2 years in the discretion of the bank. Clause 39 does not provide for automatic confirmation of the probationer after a period of 1 year. Full stop. The confirmation would not occur automatically by a flux of time. Full stop. The order of appointment also does not clearly indicate that the confirmation of the appellant on the officer's post would automatically follow in the expiry of the period of 1 year. Full stop. The service rules which we have mentioned, does not specifically provide for such eventuality. Full stop. The expiry of the probation period does not necessarily mean confirmation. Full stop. At the expiry of the period of probation, normally an order confirming the officer is request to be passed, and if no such order, if passed, he shall be deemed to have continued on probation unless the terms of appointment or the relevant rules governing the service conditions provide otherwise. Full stop. Para. The submission of the learned counsel for the appellant that the appellant having moved an application for withdrawal of his request for reversion period to his being relieved from the post and reliance placed on the decisions rendered by this court on the point of resignation and voluntary retirement. Full stop. Has no application in the present case. Those decisions are in the relation to resignation and voluntary retirement and are based on the legal proposition that unless the employee is relieved of his duty, full stop, after acceptance of offer of voluntary retirement or resignation, dual relationship of the employee and the employer does not come to an end. Full stop. In the case of reversion, the said principle has no application, and thus cases on that aspect have no relevance in the present case. Full stop. The order of the bank debarring the appellant of all future promotions to the higher bank of officer is illegal and requires correction, full stop, over.